Google Cloud certifications. Which certification is right for you? Cloud Digital Leader. Suitable for freshers. Cloud Engineer. Suitable for experienced developers. Cloud Architect. Suitable for experienced cloud developer. Cloud Database Engineer. Suitable for experienced database developer. Cloud Developer. Suitable for experienced developer. Professional Data Engineer. Suitable for data processing systems engineers. Cloud DevOps Engineer. Suitable for DevOps developers. Cloud Security Engineer. Suitable for developers working on security tools. Cloud Network Engineer. Suitable for network engineer. Google Workspace Administrator. Suitable for network engineer. Machine Learning Engineer. Suitable for developers working on ML. Join MyExamCloud and explore our Google Cloud certification study plans.